We're celebrating our 20th episode with a brand new product launch. You'll be a winner when Danielle Miller, our resident social media maven, comes back to discuss how to ignite your coder brand. The two of us crack the code to building the perfect website and social media focus. We'll cover must-haves for any company brand to succeed, especially when marketing with our insights. If you've been waiting for a winning strategy to start the new year, we're giving it to you today. Hang tight for a chance to win Rosscoat's Level Up package to get yourself launched, branded, and on track in 2021. Let's get ready to level up your powder coder game.